Hi, my name is Can Davutoğlu. I am the marketing and sales representative of QiTASC.
My name is Michael. I'm one of QiTASC CEOs.
My name is Denise and I'm CEO in QiTASC.
QiTASC is a company which has been founded in 2005, but with the business what we are doing today we started 2012.
Our family business is telecommunications. My father has been in telecommunications for about 40 years now, I think, and I myself have been in telecommunications for 18 years now, and I'm 32, so that counts for something.
So the story starts with a project I had, and I was working for Vodafone, and we were doing several tests, and every day we were in the lab, and we made manual testing of phones, mobile phones, fixed phones, had to configure the environment, and it was a very demanding project, and yeah, we were 3 teams with each 2 people. And every day we heard these phones ringing, diddly-dee, diddly-dee.
I've begun early to work on presentations for my father, and have been in software development for a very long time.
And and after 6 months I woke up in the night and I heard diddly-dee, diddly-dee, so it was really crazy. And I thought, we are doing something wrong. Yeah, I'm dreaming of this daily work and every day the same, make the phone calls, check if the voice channel is there, change configuration.
At some point, my father and I sat together and said, we need to change something. The industry seems to be going in the wrong direction, and I think we could do things much simpler, especially helping products to achieve the quality that we want them to have.
And I asked him, Michi, can we do some tool which does different things? So it should automate the mobile phone, it should automate the SNUM phone, it should automate the graphical user environment, it should take the CDRs and verify it and so on.
And that's why we started to do something about testing. And we had an idea, and there was a long and rocky road how to achieve it. We tried to figure out if there is an actual need in the market. So we set out, we built a prototype in 2 to 3 months, which covered a lot of functionality, but was just something to try things out.
I heard we develop an automation tool, yeah, and I was interested just to see what we are doing.
When the prototype was finished, we went to Vodafone and we showed them our prototype.
And they said, great, we need it, that's exactly what we need, and we need this and this and this and this and this and that.
Unfortunately, my son told me, Dad, this is a prototype, yeah, so we will not sell it. And when Vodafone asked us to provide the software, I had to say sorry, but the software we can't sell it now, right now. So this is a prototype, we will throw it away and we will make it better, even better as it is now. And this was then the starting point with our current Intact.
It was up to us to figure out which parts we implemented first, and with this project we basically started growing exponentially.
Michael and Can developed the first prototype of Intact, and after that I joined the company.
Over time we needed to separate the responsibilities because there was so much to do on a business level.
I started at the finance department here, so I was helping there. And after a few months, I was interested to learn something about testing.
So she was, in the beginning, one of our first testers. And now she's head of the testing department and also the second CEO of the company.
I don't know, I had no experience about telecommunication, no background about testing, so also manual testing and automated testing. So it was very interesting to learn this. And after a few days using our tool, I was convinced that this product is great because I had no experience and I could just use it.
We gained some developers to start building the product, and at some point we were asked, can you also use the product to test for us? So this basically started our branch of managed services. So that's what we do now. We have development of our product, we sell the product, and we use it ourselves to offer services.
And yeah, then the tool improved. We got new projects, and yeah, it was just interesting because our tool improved over the last years.
And now, 5 years later, we are a team of 50 people, 15 people working on Intact, the others making projects. Yeah, and I think we are on a good way. Still a startup, but hope that in one and a half, 2 years, that we become a real sustainable and profitable company.
So I'm responsible for development, IT, and part of the CEO responsibilities. And my sister is responsible for testing, test management, and the other part of the CEO responsibilities. My father is doing sales and marketing, and he's a one-man show who can sell anything, I think. And yeah, that's how we did things.